My name is Mark Fraser. I'm a senior lecturer in social work at the University of Cumbria. Social work's a great profession because it's really varied. For anybody who's interested in people, who are interested in society and communities, how people function, people are endlessly fascinating. And I think social work has that really privileged place in society, which is being there during times of crisis and being able to make a difference in people's lives. There's lots of really positive reasons to choose the University of Cumbria and to choose the programme in terms of social work. But I think we have a genuine connection to locality. We've got a general connection to this northwest area of England. But we managed to combine that with an awareness of how social work plugs into global themes, issues around inequality and poverty, how people treat themselves. They're international themes that we bring into what is then a local programme that connects with the local employers and local people. And I think that balance between international and local is a really strong aspect of the programme at the University of Cumbria. Our philosophy on the social work programmes at the University of Cumbria is very much to prepare people for real-world practice. So, for example, we have a flat that we use in terms of practising home visits. We have a courtroom because we train students to be able to give evidence in court. We have a hospital ward so that we are doing scenarios around a hospital discharge meeting. And then we also use the tech that's available as well. We have an immersive room that allows us to build an environment or a range of environments digitally so that we can be practicing, for example, interview skills in different settings.
My name's Molly Ross. I'm studying the BA Social Work degree at Fuse Hill Street campus. I was inspired to study social work because I worked as a third sector caseworker for 6 years before. I honestly can't tell you how much I'm enjoying the course. We've covered law and social policy, safeguarding, development through the life. We do a module on politics, discrimination and social justice. That's been a personal favourite of mine. The lectures are really interactive. There's a lot of breaking away and doing different activities, which is really good. It keeps you kind of engaged and allows for a lot of discussion amongst your fellow classmates. We've had days out, court simulation. We've been down and done some virtual reality kind of work. So there's a big mixture. I love Cumbria. It's a lovely place. If you like the countryside and you like the outdoors, then it's got tons of that. And if you like socialising, Carlisle is fantastic for that too. It's just got a really nice vibe to it. The advice that I would give someone that's considering studying social work is just to do it. If you're thinking about doing it and you want to do it, you should absolutely do it.
I'm Macy Langstaff. I'm studying the Social Work BA degree and I am at Fuse Hill Street campus. The guidance is amazing on the Social Work degree. You feel very close and connected to your lecturers. You can go up and ask them anything. It's very friendly. You really feel like a tight-knit family. The advice I give to somebody studying social work is to keep an open mind with what you can do with this degree. You can help so many different types of people in so many different ways. It can be at work, in life, getting jobs. You can really do amazing things for people with this degree. The impact I hope to make is to really just help people have the life that they deserve. Everybody needs to be happy and comfortable and safe within their environment, and I just really hope to be able to do that and do it in the most humane and equitable way that I can.
There's a really high proportion of the programme spent out in the workplace. Students in the workplace are supported by a qualified practice educator who is a member of staff at the employer. We then are effectively doing that 200 days of practice across the programme in order to meet the professional standards which allow our students to register with Social Work England or one of the other regulators in Scotland, Wales or Northern Ireland.
Some of the placements that we do and can do on the social work degree can be charitable or statutory. So the charitable ones are more charities. You go in, volunteer, help out in many different situations, working with children, adults, older adults care, mental health, people with disabilities, and this can also be statutory as well. So not only charities, you can do working with the council and things like that and the local authority.
My name's Paul Arts. I'm the Principal Social Worker for Adults for Cumberland Council. Social work is a fantastic job. It works with people to support them to improve their lives and make the best of their lives. It's really powerful work to do and it's really rewarding. The University of Cumbria graduates have been really well equipped coming into employment with the council. It's really good that we have such close links and we're involved in the delivery of their programme. It really prepares people well for coming to work for us.
Hi, I'm Frances. I'm a newly qualified social worker with Cumberland Council. The best thing about being a social worker is being able to make a difference in people's lives, promoting the strengths, independence, and basically creating better outcomes for people. One of the skills I think that's most important for a practitioner is your sense of professional curiosity, because you need to be able to make sense of situations, what's going on, and analyse the risks and how you need to support a person.
So if social work is of interest to you, why not join us for an open day here at the University of Cumbria?